today is pasta with avocado pesto, and it's vegetarian. There's no pine nuts in it. Instead we use avocados, and it's a little bit creamier, much healthier, and I think it's better. Some avocados. I'm gonna start with 2. These are very ripe. Then we have some basil, obviously, some watercress, some mint, whatever you like really. A bit more cress. And start blitzing. Salt and some lemon juice. A little bit more salt, a pinch of sugar to bring out the sweetness. I'm going to put all of the lemon. Perfect. That's what it looks like. It's like a paste. It's very nice. So, for the pasta, I'm going to boil some pasta with some salt and a vegetable stock cube. I always put a vegetable stock cube because it just tastes better. It's added flavour. So let's do that. For the pasta, I'm using trofie, which is very thinly rolled pasta. I don't know if you can see, like that. Very nice. That kind of texture. Lovely. Just waiting for the pasta. So, I forgot the garlic, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a clove of garlic into the pasta water to flavour the pasta instead. Close one. Here we go. So fresh. The mint and basil, really good. pocket. Just good. Nice. Extra virgin olive oil. Parmesan, thank you very much. Some basil. Y-U-M-M-Y. Oh yes. Yes, please. Very good.